Geobite.
Next, a shopkeeper sells ball pen at 12 rupee each. Each ball pen 12 rupee. A shopkeeper sells ball pen each 12 rupee, or look at this point, or a packet of 5 for 50 rupee. Suppose he purchased one pen at 12 rupee, packet of 5 50 rupee. How much minimum will it cost to purchase 23 balls? 23 balls. In a 23, each packet to 5. So how many packets we have? How many? 5, 4's cancel. So 5, 4 packets. 4 by 20. 5 4's 20. Remainder is 3. So 3 individual pens. Individual pen. So 4 packets. So 4 into each packet cost 50. Plus 3 into each ball pen cost 12. 200 plus 36. So 236 is the answer. 236 is the answer. Got it, children? 5 fourths. So each packet to 5 ball pens. So 4 packets. So here 3 remainder, these 3 pens, individual pens. Each individual is 12 rupee, so 36. So each packet is 50, 4 into 50. 236 rupees is the minimum amount he spent. Next. By selling a dozen pencils at 30, the shopkeeper gains 10 rupee. Observe, what is this, selling or costing? Selling. Selling dozen pencils, okay, dozen pencils at 30 rupee. So selling price 30 rupees. Profit 10 rupee. What is the cost price? Profit means what is the logic? Selling price minus cost price. Profit 10, selling price 30 minus cost price. So cost price is equal to 20. Directly we know, but as a logic I will prove. Cost price 30. Okay. Cost price 20 rupees. So profit percentage. Profit percentage means how much? Profit by cost price into 100. Profit how much? 10. Cost price 20 into 100. So answer 10 to 50s. So answer 50%. This is the answer. Okay, children. These questions completely previous year questions. That's why this type. Okay. Next. What is the market price of washing machine when washing machine is available at 13489? Its discount percentage is 18%. Cost price you can assume always 100%. Discount 18%. So what is the remaining? 82. So this amount is equal to the 82% is equal to the 13489. You want 100%. This is the logic, shortcut way. Okay, cross multiply 13489 into 100 by 82. After simplification, 16450. This is the answer. Previous 2018 bit. Calculation time taken, so speed the maths. Multiplication, so divisibility, speed up. This is one method. Suppose if you want original method as like formula, 18% discount given. 18% discount given. This is the selling price. You want original cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 plus or minus x. Already you know the formula. So cost price you don't know. Selling price 13489 into 100. Here 18% discount, 100 minus 18. So 13489 into 100 by 82. After simplification, this is the answer. Cost price meaning completely 100%. That's 100% this much your requirement. More or less directly multiply. Okay, wait. Find profit. If cost price is 300, selling price 450. They're asking a profit, not profit percentage. Okay, you can observe the question sometimes. Find profit. Profit means what is the logic? Selling price minus cost price. Selling price 450, cost price 300. So answer 150. Sometimes easy question in examination 2016 bit. A radio was sold 680 at loss of 120. Loss of 120. At what price should it be to earn profit of 120? So at present selling is 680. He lost 120. So this 120 is added. It is cost price. How much? 800. This is original. 800 is the original. You want 120 rupees profit. So plus 120. Answer 920 is the answer. 920 is the answer. If selling price is 680, you got loss. So that 120 added, that is original. Okay. You want 120 rupees profit. You want. That's why that profit added. 920 is the answer. Okay, children. Next. If a book purchased 150 and sells it for 180, then profit percentage. Here observe. This is profit percentage. So cost price 150, selling price 180. So cost price less, selling price more. Okay, we got profit. So profit how much? Their difference 30 rupees. You want profit percentage. Cost price 30. Sorry, profit 30. Cost price 150 into 100. So 0, 0, 3 5s, 5 20s. Answer 20. Got it, children? Next. A shopkeeper bought a cell phone 1500, then sold for 1650. What is the profit? Same. Purchasing 1500, selling 1650. So profit. How much? How much profit? 1500, 1650. How much? 150. That 150 compare with cost price. Cost price is 1500 into 100. 0, 0. 15 tens 0, 0. So answer 10% is the answer. Got it, children? Okay. Only 3 questions difficult. Remaining every question also easily given in the previous years. A person buys a book for 27 and sells it profit of 10%. Find selling price. Find selling price. Here I will explain 2 ways. Actually cost price means how much percentage? 100. So 100 percentage value 27. You want profit 10%. So 110. How much? Cross multiplication. So 27 into 110 upon 100. 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0. 11 sevens 77. 7. 11 sevens. 11 sevens 77. 7. 11 twos 22. 22 plus 7 29 upon 10. So this is 10, only 1 0. So that's 29.7 as a concept wise. Another logic, second logic. In a 27, 10 percentage meaning 10 percentage. So 1 decimal is left. Suppose 27, 10 percentage means you like this 1 percentage left. One digit is left. So 2.7. 29.7 direct answer. Direct answer. As a formula, you want selling price. Cost price 27, profit so 10%, so 110 upon 100. 0 0 cancel, same here. 297 upon 10, 29.7. Formula based. Formula based. This is concept wise direct answer. Okay, children, last question. Mona bought a shirt 860 and sold it at again, sold it gain, profit, gain meaning profit, 15%. What is the selling price? So directly selling price, cost price is 860. You have a profit, 15% profit means directly 115 upon 100. 5 20s, 5 23s. 0 0 cancel, 2 ones 243. So answer 43 into 23. Okay, no? 3 3 is 9, 3 4s 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s 8. So 989 is the answer. Okay, children, here you remember, just remember, cost price meaning always equal to 100%. Is there any changes? It is more than the CPI. It is less means it is minus. So here 860 is the cost price. So 100% is equal to 860. You want 15% profit. So 115 is equal to how much? This is one logic. Cross multiply 860 into 115 upon 100. You got the same answer. You got the same answer. Got it, children? Thank you. Do you have any doubts? Immediately raise your doubt. Our GeoByte team will respond to your doubt. Thank you.
GeoByte.